Best multi-cooker in UK 2024, top do-it-all appliances from Ninja, Instant and more in this video. To find the best multi-cooker, our experts put a range of market leaders to the test. With each, testers use the slow cooker function to make beef brisket, vegan chili and chicken curry, weighing the dishes before and after cooking to assess how much moisture was lost during the process. Then they adjust the test according to each model's features. For example, if it can pressure cook, we cook the brisket and chili again, while for air frying, we made chips and chicken wings. We roasted vegetables, baked cupcakes, steamed corn and cooked rice, too. And we tasted every dish to make sure everything was cooked through. We also calculated the energy consumption for every test we carried out, using the electricity price cap of 27p kilowatt-hour at the time of testing. Finally, we assess each multi-cooker on ease of use, design and instructions, before awarding it a final score. Watching this video to discover the best multi-cookers to buy now, plus a buying guide on everything you need to know. Number 1. Best overall multi-cooker, Instant Pot Pro Plus Multi-Cooker. With 10 different functions, our multi-cooker winner is an impressive and versatile appliance, which can feed up to 6 people, making it perfect for large households or hosting guests. It can double up as a rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sous vide, food warmer and canner, and it performed well across all our tests, but recorded its best results for pressure and slow cooking. Minimal moisture loss in its pressure cooker mode meant it produced a chili that was evenly cooked, moist and packed full of flavor. While it did take a while to build pressure, resulting in a 20-minute cook time, the low energy usage meant our tasty chili only cost us 9p to whip up. This cooker's USP is that you can control it wirelessly from your phone with an app. As well as being easy to set up and use, the app includes a whole library of recipes with step-by-step instructions. Plus, most recipes resulted in delicious, evenly cooked meals that were full of moisture and flavor. Number 2. Best multi-cooker with air frying and roasting, Ninja Foodi MAX 15 in 1 SmartLid Multi-Cooker 7.5L, OL750 UK, Smart Cook System. The Ninja Foodi 15 in 1 is aesthetically pleasing and well designed, with a clear and readable digital display and easy-to-use controls. You can switch between 3 modes, pressure cooking, air frying and steaming, as well as 15 different cooking functions. These include classic functions such as slow cooking, air frying, and roasting, as well as 2 new combi steam functions, which combine steaming with baking or air frying for fluffier bakes and juicier, more tender meats. In testing, it performed admirably in a number of areas but was particularly impressive when pressure cooking and steaming. It's also much simpler to use than previous models, as the newly designed multi-lid doesn't need to be changed out when switching between its 3 main modes. This cleverly designed lid, combined with impressive functionality, make the Ninja Foodi 15 in 1 one of the simplest, yet most feature-packed multi-cookers available. Pressure cook, air fry, grill, bake, dehydrate, prove, sear, sauté, steam, slow cook and yogurt functions are all selectable, along with 5 combi steam meal options. The large 7.5L capacity makes it ideal for cooking a generous 6 portions at one time. When prepping our beef stew, the sear sauté function was the most effective at softening and caramelizing the ingredients of all the models we tested, rendering all the fat and giving a good color. The hinged lid proved tricky to clean free of aromas after cooking strongly fragrant dishes, but there is guidance in the manual for a cleaning function. Number 3. Best for steaming and cooking rice, Tefal Turbo Cuisine Electric Pressure Cooker. This compact cooker can feed a family of 5 thanks to its 4.8L capacity. Well-designed handles mean it's easy to grip and move too, plus the bowl hand washes well thanks to the brand's beloved non-stick coating. We had to play around with the slow cooker setting to get it right, as the machine doesn't come with clear guidance on how to set the temperature, meaning our first attempt resulted in raw meat. But once solved, the results were a delicious chicken curry, which only required 18p of electricity to make. Impressively, when we pressure cooked our vegan chili, it was done in just 5 minutes. To use the steam release, you must hold down the button continuously until all the steam has escaped, and this can take a few minutes. but it's well positioned so you won't be in the steam's way. Number 4. Best for ease of use and design, Crockpot Turbo Express Pressure Multi-Cooker. For truly effortless cooking, turn to this versatile crockpot, which impressed on test for producing fluffy rice and delicious roasted veggies. Its slow-cooked dishes were top-notch too, locking in moisture, and it didn't consume much electricity, 23p for 4 hours on high and 24p for 8 hours on low. When it came to pressure cooking, we measured substantial moisture loss, 6.6% from our beef brisket and 13.8% from our vegan chili. The latter wasn't affected by this though, emerging with an appetizing taste and texture, but the beef had dry spots. What makes this multi-cooker stand out, though, is its user-friendly design. It's intuitive to use from start to finish, with a well-placed steam release knob that minimizes the risk of burning and 14 clearly labeled functions to choose between, making it simple to switch from rice cooker to sous vide. It even doubles up as a sterilizer and has a capacity to serve 6. A great value buy. Number 5. Best rice cooker for top-end multi-cookers, Sage the Fast Slow Cooker Pro. If you're looking for a do-it-all multi-cooker to keep out on the countertop, this is the one for you. The stylish brushed stainless steel design gives this model a contemporary feel that forgives greasy finger marks. This cooker focuses on slow and pressure cooking functions, and is equipped with a pressure release safety valve and locking lid. Its ability to cook grains, such as risotto, from the preset function produced very creamy results without all the usual effort of standing and stirring. Stocks, stews, yogurt and more are part of its push-button interface, clearly labeled with words and icons. Sous vide cooking is also possible with this model, allowing you to achieve consistent, quality results. With 14 settings, including sauté, risotto and slow cooking, this cooker does a lot more than its name suggests. It scored highly on test for its pressure cooking capabilities with a notably moist vegan chili, making it worth the 20-minute wait for the pressure to build. It was also a top performer for slow cooking, with a melt-in-the-mouth brisket. In fact, we found it cooked nearly every ingredient evenly and it was also fairly energy efficient. Delay start and keep warm functions will help if you're leaving it to cook while you're out of the house, too. It is a large machine, but we think it's a reliable and robust cooker that's ideal for big families.